Hello and welcome to Raj Joshi Spirituality and Science channel. Today we are going to talk about the Bhagavad Gita, and specifically in Bhagavad Gita we're talking about what are the sequence of event which has led to this great conversation recorded in 700 slokas between Krishna and Arjuna. So the story goes like this, right? Sometimes between 5,000 to 8,000 years ago. So you will say 5,000 to 8,000, why are you not giving me an exact date? Well, the researchers, modern researchers are still trying to figure this out. Basically, there are many dates have been proposed. They are looking at the astronomical data and they're very close. I say in next couple of years, they will come up with most scholars will agree on a particular date. So for now, consider 5,000 to 8,000 years ago, there were two clans basically. One side is Pāṇḍavāśhchaiva, other side is Kauravas. They were both fighting for the throne of Hastinapur, which is very close to Delhi, the capital of India. The Pāṇḍavas are the five brothers who follow the righteous path, the path of the Dharma, basically the right path. On the other side, the Kauravas, which are the 100 brothers, tried to behave viciously and brutally towards their Pāṇḍavas in many ways. From their early youth onward, they snatched the kingdom which Pāṇḍavas deserved. Kauravas even tried to kill them multiple times, abused their wife, and then they tricked them into going into exile for 13 years. Upon their return from exile, Kauravas refused to even give the piece of land, right, the kingdom which belonged to Pāṇḍavas. So Pāṇḍavas made several attempts to make a peaceful agreement with them. They even asked, just give us the 5 villages, But Kauravas, they said, no, we won't even give you even a piece of land where you can drive even a pin. So the war was inevitable. Both armies gathered at the battlefield of kuru-kṣhetre, and that is where Bhagavad Gita begins. Arjuna, the greatest archer of his time, on this planet at that moment of time, what he does very unique. Right now, basically the battlefield, both armies are set, and Arjuna says, you know what, I just want to analyze the situation. What is going on? On one hand, my cousin brothers are there with their army, millions of army, and other side, my own brothers, millions of army. Can you please just take me to right in the middle of the battlefield? And I just want to see the situation. Krishna smiles. He says, do you really want to do? Okay, let's do that then. Krishna takes the chariot, parks right in the middle of the battleground. And that's where Bhagavad Gita begins. So tune into my next video where I'll be explaining to you what is at the stake. What are the problems Arjuna is facing and how these problems are basically equally important as of today. So thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and I'll see you in the next video.